Hello, guys, and welcome to your first video lesson. If you're wondering why I got a monster can right on the front, is because the headphones have the microphone right here, and if I wear them around my neck, you will hear this sound. And I don't like that. So I'm gonna put it here, like if this will be a microphone and this will be a stand, okay? So, as I was saying, welcome to your first video class. We're gonna be learning about some more words that tend to be used incorrectly, that they are kind of similar, but they are just in different ways, okay? Let's get into it. Okay, guys, so let's start with this. First, we got so, such, to, and as. These words are frequently used to exaggerate or to intensify, right? I made here a little chart where you can see the word, what it means. We can see that so means very. It is the same as very, extremely, or to such degree. Here in use, we can see how we can use it, like sort of a physics formula, let's say, right? So here is so plus adjective plus thought clause, and here is a sentence as an example. I am so tired that I will sleep all day. And second sentence, there are so many ways to spend a Sunday afternoon that I don't know what to do. When I'm talking about thought clause, we're talking about that part of the sentence that starts with that. That will be that I will sleep all day, that I don't know what to do, that I had to walk out of the movie to go to the bathroom, all right? Such, here is a determiner. It is used before a noun or a noun phrase to add emphasis. These words, what they do is that they add emphasis, or they are comparing something to something else, in the case of as. In the case of such, it is used like this. It was such a long trip. That is why I am so hungry. Fue un viaje tan largo. Such es eso, tan. That is why I am so hungry. Okay? Fue un viaje tan largo, por eso es que estoy hambriento. To, in this case, it means more than is needed or wanted, more than enough, más que suficiente. It is used like this, to plus adjective plus infinitive. We don't use a thought clause here, we use an infinitive. In this case, in this sentence, running will be the infinitive. He is too lazy to go running with us, okay? Too lazy. De flojo de más. Finally, we have as. It is used in comparisons to the degree of something. Es para comparar algo a tal punto de algo más. Como cuando decimos, eres tan bueno jugando fútbol como Diego Armando Maradona. Algo parecido así. But in English, we use it as plus adjective or adverb and another as. Like this. That guy is as tall as me. Or that girl is as pretty as me. Stuff like that. Okay, then we got another and other. These words can be used both as an adjective and as an adverb, and are frequently used to differentiate. These ones are easier. Okay? First, we know that both can be used as an adverb and as an adjective. But how are we going to know? Really simple. If you want to use another as an adjective, we're gonna use it like this, just another plus a singular noun. And in this example, we got, I want another drink. We got another, followed by drink. Yo quiero otra bebida. If you want to use it, if you want to use other as an adjective, there's two ways to use it. The first one is to use other, then a plural noun, okay? In this case, instead of I want another drink, it will be do you have other drinks? ¿Tienes otras bebidas? Alright? Number two will be to use as a determiner. The determiners are da, some, any, one, no. Estos te dicen cantidad. El, algunos, uno, ninguno. Alright? Plus other, then a noun. An example will be, yeah, I have one other drink you're going to love. Sí, tengo una otra bebida que te va a encantar. Alright, so if you want to use another as a pronoun, what will you do is just put another. another instance for a pronoun. And there will be, sure, have another. Sí, ten otra. And that's it. And if you want to use other as a pronoun, first you use a determiner plus other, and that's it. An example will be, alright, then I will drink the other. Ok, entonces voy a tomar la otra. Okay, guys, so now let's talk about how and when to use because, although, when, while, because of, despite, in spite of, and during. I know these seem like a lot of words, but don't worry, they're really simple. These words tend to be used in sentences that provide us with information or details about something. We already know that when somebody asks us a question that is like, why are you tired? Why means ¿por qué? ¿Por qué estás cansado? Because I ran today. Porque hoy corrí. Alright? So this is more or less the relation these words have. Alright guys, so which words are we going to use? How and when? Alright, the ones on the left, the ones that are in the column on the left, are going to be used with clauses. What are clauses? Clauses are like tiny sentences that have a subject and a predicate, okay? They always have a subject and a predicate. Let's see the example in because. Because is a conjunction. It means for the reason that. ¿Por qué motivo? An example of using because will be, the baby is crying because he is hungry. Now, the clause here will be, he is hungry. Porque si nosotros mochamos la parte de he is hungry del resto de la oración, esa podría ser una oración por su cuenta, porque estamos diciendo, él está hambriento. Tenemos un sujeto, tenemos un predicado. Alright? So that is a clause. The ones on the right, the words we have here on the right, are going to be used with noun phrases. That is a team of words that work as a noun. What is a noun phrase? ¿Qué es una noun phrase? Muy fácil. Es un conjunto de palabras que funcionan como un sustantivo. Veamos el ejemplo de because of, ¿ok? Because of is really similar to the meaning of because. It means on account of, a cuenta de. And the example will be, the baby is crying because of his hunger. El bebé está llorando por su hambre. In this case, we're using because of because we have a noun phrase after it that is his hunger. His hunger sería su hambre. Esto no puede funcionar como una clause porque no tiene un sujeto y un predicado, nada más es un sujeto. Por lo tanto, se utiliza because of. Alright? Really simple. And that's the way we're going to be using these words. So we're going to be using although, when, and while as well when we're talking about clauses. And we're going to be using despite, in spite of, during, and because of when we're talking about noun phrases. You can see the meanings of each word right there on your screen, and you can also see the sentences as an example, alright? Okay guys, and finally we will learn how to use much, many, few, a few, fewer, the fewest, number, much, little, a little, less, the least, and amount. These words are mainly used to express quantities. Son palabras que utilizamos para expresar cantidades, alright? How are we going to use them? Real easy. The ones on the left column are going to be used with plural nouns, okay? Only plural nouns. And the ones on the right are going to be used with non-count nouns. Remember what I told you, que los non-count nouns son aquellos sustantivos que nosotros no podemos cuantificar, que no podemos decir las tres aguas, los 10 oros, alright? So in this case we got, for example, coffee will be an example, peace, beauty, gold, rain, oxygen, smoke. There are a lot of words and you can find them with a simple Google search. Just put non-count nouns list and you will find them. Okay, we're gonna use with plural nouns many, few and a few, fewer and the fewest, and number. Why? Because these sentences have plural nouns. I have many things to do. Our plural noun there is things. Will you dance a few songs with me? We got their songs, that's plural. There were fewer students in the classroom than yesterday. That would be students. The fewest mistakes you have in your exam, the better mistakes. Okay? Just like that. Now on the right column, we got, let's see, much. An example would be, I have much stuff to do. Tengo muchas cosas por hacer. ¿Cuántas cosas? Well, we don't know. How much? We don't know. But we cannot say, I have like 5 stuffs to do. No, that's wrong. So it is a non-count noun. Let's see with little. May I have a little moment to dance with you? Moment. How long is a moment? A moment can be whatever length it can be, all right? It can be 5 seconds, it can be 5 minutes, 5 years, 5 decades, we never know, okay? So, less and the least, an example. There should be less wind outside. Wind is our non-count noun because we cannot say, there is 5 winds outside. No. And finally we have amount. The amount of joy I have today is huge. Joy. We cannot measure joy. And that's it, guys. It's actually really simple. Remember, guys, if you have any doubts, any questions, any comments, you can leave me a comment down in the comment section below. You can write to me to my email address that is right now showing on the screen. And if you need a better explanation, or if something is not clear to you after investigating on your own and trying to contact me, then let's talk about it on a Zoom conference, okay? I don't know how the Zoom conference are going to be, but if you need one, be sure to let your jefe de grupo know and schedule a Zoom conference with me, all right?
Okay, guys, so that's going to be everything for this week. I hope you have yourself a great time, and I'll see you really, really soon. Take care, guys.